luxury is no longer limited to mansions and private jets. In 2026, luxury is moving on wheels. Today, we're exploring the top 5 most luxurious motorhomes of 2026, inspired by brands like Rolls-Royce, Bugatti, Mercedes-Benz, and more. These are not just RVs. These are mobile palaces for billionaires. If you love luxury and future vehicles, hit like and subscribe now. Starting at number 5, we have the Mercedes-Benz LandJet Premier Edition. This futuristic motorhome is designed for people who want smart living on the road. The exterior follows Mercedes' modern electric design language, while the interior feels like a high-tech penthouse. Inside, you get eye-controlled lighting and climate robotic furniture that transforms automatically, a 55-inch hyperscreen dashboard, smart kitchen with voice control. The LandJet is expected to use a fully electric platform, offering nearly 500 miles of driving range. It also features level 4 autonomous driving, meaning the vehicle can drive itself on highways. Like the video if you travel in this Mercedes motor. Subscribe for more future luxury vehicles. At number 4, we enter true royalty. The Rolls-Royce Phantom Estates motorhome is designed as a moving palace. Every detail is handcrafted inside the cabin, hand-polished wood panels, a private library lounge, king-size bed with silk upholstery, crystal minibar, and champagne storage. The signature Rolls-Royce starlight ceiling extends across the entire roof. There's even a spa-style bathroom with a rainfall shower and heated marble floors. Performance is smooth, silent, and effortless. Exactly what Rolls-Royce is known for. Luxury lovers, hit like right now. Subscribe. It only gets better from here. Number 3 is pure insanity. The Bugatti Tourbillon motorhome brings hypercar DNA into the luxury motorhome world. Yes, Bugatti power in a This beast is rumored to feature a hybrid V16 system inspired by Bugatti's. Inside, you'll find carbon fiber, interior details, Alcantara walls, and seating floating, spiral staircase, retractable, cinema screen. The master bedroom feels like a 5-star hotel suite, designed for elite lifestyles. Aerodynamics are active, meaning parts of the body adjust at high speeds. Bugatti fans, smash that like button. Subscribe if you love extreme luxury. At number 2, we have another Bugatti, but this time focused on pure comfort. The Bugatti Royale motorhome is designed for long-distance luxury travel. Key features include panoramic adaptive glass roof, built-in wine cellar, outdoor lounge that extends automatically, premium surround sound system. The interior is fully customizable with hand-stitched leather, carbon trim, and ambient lighting. This motorhome is made for people who want to travel the world without sacrificing luxury. If this feels like billionaire lifestyle, hit like, subscribe. Number 1 is next. At number 1, we have the ultimate luxury motorhome of 2026. The Rolls-Royce Royal Suite Motorhome. This is not transportation. This is an experience. Only 10 units worldwide. Inside, you get fully bespoke Rolls-Royce interior, smart home automation everywhere, private dining area, personal office lounge, ultra-silent ride technology. Every Royal Suite is built to the owner's personal taste. No two are the same. This is the most luxurious motorhome concept ever imagined. If this blew your mind, hit like, subscribe to Love007 for elite luxury content. So there you have it, the top 5 luxury motorhomes of 2026. From Mercedes innovation to Bugatti power and Rolls-Royce royalty, luxury has officially gone mobile. Like, share, and subscribe to Love007. Comment below, which motorhome would you choose?